बेटा कमिंग कमिंग नजर आजा। आटा गूंद के हो गया है, सब्जी is on fire. Now I'm taking my son to give him a shower. He's trying to see. So okay, see you guys later. So I'm done having bath. I've given my son a bath. It took too long. He was hungry. I had to feed him as well. Right now it is 10:45 in the morning, so I have like little bit time to go and finish making the chapatis, and I'm hoping that he doesn't wake up till I finish doing that, because I also want to watch Crime Patrol. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I have finished having my lunch. I was even able to enjoy an episode of Crime Patrol, and my baby is still sleeping. So I'm gonna go now and edit some videos to upload, or edit this one maybe. And it's noon now. That's my morning routine for you guys. See you guys. Oh, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below.